Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have WarmupInbox and this is the best email warm-up tool. Now if you want to get an access to it, you can head over to the link in the description to get exclusive benefits and rewards and also extended free trial. So talking about this platform, this is used to get your emails done. So doing them manually of course sucks and it takes a lot of time. So for that exact purpose we have WarmupInbox. You can see the features that it offers. Now it says how it works: simply sync your inbox to our network of 20,000 plus continuously changing real inboxes. We will interact with your inbox to make sure your email don't end up in the spam folder. Now the emails that end up in spam folder of course are going to be making your leads die, so that is something that you are not looking forward to. Okay, you can see the templates and it is offering wide range of templates to choose from. You can add your plain text and HTML code even if you are a developer, and once you enter the fields it is going to be generating the template for you. So quite simple, no rocket science in here. Heading over to the billing, if you are looking for its pricing and plans section, the basic come with $19 price point. The Pro is with the $59 price tag and the Max comes with $99 per month price tag. Now talking about its API key, so if you want to get an API key, if it has to offer that as well. So it is a simple and yet effective site that you should try out and give it a try. So yeah, that is it pretty much for this video. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to get a lookup to WarmupInbox and get extended free trial and exclusive benefits and rewards. If you like the video, you can subscribe to our channel, drop a like, and also comment down below what else you want to see upcoming next onto the channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.